Hello everyone. Today we're gonna be showing you how to mod Snip the game. Um, this video will be split into two parts. One part talks about the easier way to mod the game, but it's like not as advanced, so like you can't do much with it. And it's more advanced. And the next part is another more advanced way to mod the game. And there'll be timestamps in the description to see which one you want to do first. So. The first thing you want to do is go and to Snip and Poke the Game's game job page. And you obviously need to have the demo version of Snip and Poke the Game installed. If you don't, this is not going to work. Well, it might work, but like I recommend doing the game as well. I recommend downloading the game as well because it'd be better, just trust me. So you want to scroll down and then you'll see this saying mod kit. Now, it's a kit that allows you to mod the game. So you must download that, and then once that's done, you'll see it in your folder here. And you want to extract it using 7-zip or WinRAR. You need to have those programs installed on Windows 10. But if you're using Windows 11, you don't need WinRAR or anything. It already has an extractor thing built in. But for me, I'm using Windows 10 because I just like it. So in here, you must extract it. And now, you have the mod kit. So you must open the mod kit and go to app here. So now, you'll see that there's a bunch of stuff here. You don't need to worry about most of these things. You just want to press assets. Now here's where things get a little bit complicated, so I will try to explain it. All these files are all the images and music for the game. So these are all images and stuff. I'm not sure what this last one is. I don't know honestly, but like that's just to launch the game, I think. But here is all the assets, and they all are named randomly. You have no clue which is which. So this is a little bit difficult, I guess. So trying to find what asset you're looking for, but basically you can click through these assets and explore all of them. So here, for example, this is an animation frame. This is another animation frame. Now the interesting part about these animation frames is some of them have some things that are off screen that you don't see in the game. Like there's some off screen things here. Like you can see the snips, scissors. Yeah, that's kind of cool, I guess. But you can explore through these files. Look, these are just random images from the game, basically. I think they're all sorted by number and alphabetic order, so you know, more animation frames. Just all the good stuff. And now we also have music. So open the music and you'll have random music and sound effects. That is from the final cutscene. Plays this music. Wait, I'm not even sure if the music is on. I'm not even sure if music is on. Yeah, it's not even on, so you probably can't hear it, but this is definitely a sound effect. No, it's a piece of music. So there's all these random files here. So, next thing you want to do is you want to install this program called Inkscape, if you don't already have it installed. Or, there's another route you can take, which I I don't really recommend that you take this other route. You could use Scratch to edit these files, but then you'd have to replace the files and it'd be a whole lot more complicated. So don't do that. Just install Inkscape. And once you have that installed, you want to right click on whatever file you want to edit. Say I just want to edit this. Or some, no, hold on, wait, I want to edit. Okay, say I want to edit this specific animation frame here. So what I want to do is I want to this is the file right here. So you want to left click and then say open with Inkscape. I'm actually not sure if I have it installed. Oh, no, that's the installer. Okay. Well, I don't really have it installed. This is kind of embarrassing. Whoops. I thought I did. Well, okay, well, you could just use GIMP instead. Let's just use GIMP instead, okay? This is another editor that you can also use. I'll just use it now. You could use Inkscape if you want. They're actually quite similar. They still edit frames and stuff. So, we have this image, and yeah, here's the image. So now, you can just edit it all the way you want. So I'm just gonna, I don't know, maybe I'll add a frickin', I don't know, fire. Their heads are on fire or something. I don't know. There, and now I want to press File, and then say, where is it? No. I can't find anything today. There should be something saying override. You just need to edit it a bit more. Well, there should be a button saying override image. But I can't seem to find it. Yeah, I can't seem to find it though. So that's annoying. That's weird because if I have one of these files, say say I have one of these files. Yeah, it says override here. Overwrite. Jeez, this tutorial's a disaster. There's no button there saying to overwrite. Look, overwrite here, and then over here it doesn't allow me to overwrite it, so I don't know. I don't think this honestly supports this program, so that's kind of a bummer. But there are tons of other editor programs out there that you can open SVG files with. So unfortunately, I don't have one of them. So unfortunately, I can't edit this image. But let's just move on to the next part in the tutorial. So, let's say you've made your mod. Your mod by edited images. The next thing you want to do is you want to open Snip and Poke the game. I have it pulled up here, SAP demo. And now what you want to do is you have an app folder here, but in the mod kit you also have an app folder here. So what do? Well, what you do is you move this app folder to your downloads. And now it's it should it's here. So it's there now. You might want to put it in a safe place though, so let's just say original, main folder, and say original game. You don't want to freaking lose this. This is a very important file actually. This makes the original game work. So then you want to move up. My god, if it would just go up. It's showing all my files. Go up! No, I'm just gonna put it in mod kit. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna open original game. I'm just gonna move it here. There we go, that was much easier. Okay, well now it's in a safe folder. Just keep it like that. So now, open SAP demo. And now go into resources, and then you see it's empty now. So you want to go into the modkit folder and move the app, this app specifically, in here. And now that's in there. So it's nice and safe. So now when you open Snip and Poke the game, it plays. But the thing is, this is your modded version of the game, so there will be some differences of whatever differences you actually made. So there, that's the more simple way to mod the game. Now we're going to talk about the more advanced way. And also, but I also think this more advanced way might be a little bit easier, to be honest. So let's just get into it. First of all, though, actually, no, I don't need to, remove the, well, I don't know. So, also, I'm just gonna quickly remove the mod. So I'm gonna put the app folder back into the mod kit folder, and then just move the original game folder back in there. Okay, so now we have the mod kit. So what you want to do is go to advanced. This is the advanced folder now, and you'll see this say SAP beta bracket 6.sb3. That is your file that contains the game. How long have we been recording for? Oh geez, like 14 minutes already. Okay, we need to speed this up. So you want to go into Scratch. If you haven't already, make an account. And you want to press create. And you'll have a new project here. Also, you might notice that my Scratch editor looks different. That's just because I changed some colors using Scratch add-ons. Because as like a full-time Scratch developer, I need I need to have it, like, the colors not be overwhelmingly bright, be a bit nicer. Anyways, so you want to press load from your computer. And then you go into mod kit, app, advanced, and then you'll see the file here. And then you want to say, replace the contents of the current project. You say, okay, and then it'll start loading. This might take a while depending on your internet speed. So I'll just pause. Okay, it turns out I didn't even need to pause because as soon as I paused it, it just automatically, it just freaking automatically, just immediately loaded. That's hilarious. Now, you'll see here the entire game. Now you might notice some differences with frickin' my editor here. I have folders here. That's just because of Scratch add-ons. And by the way, if you want to be a Scratch developer, I recommend actually downloading Scratch add-ons. And like choose a couple of the add-ons I have here. I don't know, but like make sure like you download folders. Make sure you have the sprite folders add-on, because this organizes everything. It's way easier then. So what you want to do now is once you're in the editor, you can start messing around now. So you want to say like you just want to edit the frames again. You could also just go to costumes here and then you can edit the actual world itself. But by the way, here's a quick warning: if you want to edit the world, you also need to edit the collision for the world. This just makes everything collide with each other, and not so you don't just pass through it. But like this is invisible during game, so you won't see it. So you just want to edit. You can just edit a bunch of this stuff, but and you can also change the code as well if you want it to work differently. And also another cool thing about this this advanced mode is you can just see a bunch of development, so that's cool. If you don't know how to use Scratch, and you just want to edit it, you could just use the first one. You could just use the first way to do it. But if you're not casually just editing everything, if you wanna, oh wait, wait, what? Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, this has controller support. I've plugged in a GameCube controller. I've plugged in a GameCube controller, so everything's working here. So that's why it's like that. If you don't know how to use Scratch and you just want to be casually edited, just use the first tactic. But say like you want to actually make a proper mod for the game. Here is a better way to go because it's more organized and stuff, and it's just easier in general. So yeah. But yeah, this has been the tutorial. I will have to make another tutorial when the full game comes out, because that's not going to contain like the steps that I'm showing you today. And when the full game comes out, I don't recommend doing the first tactic where you go into the advanced tab and stuff and do all that stuff. Okay, but we're on to the final part of the tutorial now. Say you want to I don't know, like, say you want to freaking export the game and then like play it. Well, you want to press save to your computer. You want to go file, save to your computer once you finish the mod, and then go to Turbo Warp Packager. And you just want to choose your file. You just want to choose the file you want that you've exported. Say you just want to choose the file that you exported, and then you can mess around with some of the features, but that's not what we're looking for. Then you want to go to all the way down to environment, and you want to press zip, ideal for websites, and then press package. And then once that works, you extract it, and then you do the thing where you just replace the files. So yep, this has been the tutorial. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you later. Bye.